When we get your lens here.
Oh my goodness, what is that?
It's beautiful.
Well, this is new to us.
No, that's a common house finch with red on it, isn't it?
No, babe. No, that's got yellow. I mean, I've got my glasses on, but I'm almost positive. I could be wrong. No, that's got more red and yellow than the normal ones.
There was two of them.
Oh, I missed the second one.
Well, I didn't see the second one until the first one flew and the second one went with it. Let me see a picture of it.
Just a second. I was recording. Aw. What do you smell there, Mr. Big? What's in the air, buddy? Oh, you smell something. Oh, that was good English.